now we need what we say lights, camera, action. Okay, lights, landing lights. Camera, which is a transponder, so they can see where I'm at. Everybody can see where I'm at. Then altitude, fuel pump on, and mixture's rich. Flaps are down. You strapped in. I'm strapped in. We're ready to go.
Wait. I'm not.
Okay. You see the windsock over there? A little wind?
Yeah, I see the sock.
That tells me, that's called a windsock. That tells me how the wind is coming.
Short final runway 10.
Okay, so we're gonna use runway 10.
Runway to runway 10, Homestead.
And somebody's gonna land here, so I'm gonna wait for him. I see him right there. He's going around. See him up there?
Yeah. Is it smooth like that? Is it smooth like?
Yeah, it's smooth. You'll see.
The only thing that gets me is the arch.
Oh yeah?
And the landing of the bump.
Cessna 160 Austin, runway 10.
Homestead traffic, you got a Piper Tomahawk holding short of 10. Anybody on base or final, please advise. I have upwind traffic on site. You can hear me?
Yeah, it was like a little foggy.
Okay. You can adjust the volume with this thing, but
Yeah, a
you're
little
good.
bit.
Okay, so we're good. We're going. Homestead traffic, Piper Tomahawk taking the active runway 10 Homestead. So we're gonna line up in the center of the runway, and then you're gonna watch this. When we hit 65, we're gonna pull up, and the plane's gonna start flying. Right in the center. Get off the brakes. Apply full power.
Homestead traffic, Cessna 152 is turning base to runway 10.
Everything looks good.
Yeah, everything.
Clear power. 60. 65.
Ooh, it's nice.
And we're flying. And we're just gonna keep it like that, nice and
Cessna 152
low.
turning, crossing runway 10.
See the plane over there?
Yeah,
Okay, we're gonna watch him.
I like it. I love it.
Okay, these are the little bumps that you're gonna feel. Everything looks good.
Everything's good.
Homestead traffic, Cessna.
When we hit 5,
Runway 10, we're going to continue northbound. This is last call.
okay, so we're gonna go straight for a little bit. And then I'm gonna go right and go around the airport, okay?
Yeah. I want to go the whole 10 minutes.
Okay. I'm still watching all the engines, the gauges, make sure
Yeah,
everything's
they're
good.
all
Okay.
What happens if it turns red? Like,
Well, then we'll go back down. That's all.
uh-huh.
All right.
Everything looks so small.
Okay, now we're already up to 600 feet. We're gonna go straight. We're gonna make it right. Homestead traffic, Piper Tomahawk making a straight out departure to the east. Last call, Homestead. Okay, so now it's gonna get a little bumpy. And we're gonna climb to 1,000 feet. Okay? And then we're gonna stay there for a little bit. I actually wanna start turning now. See how I'm turning slowly?
Uh-huh. I can feel it going down.
It's the updraft. You see the clouds? You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, now we're gonna hit the wind. It's gonna hit us front, right in the front. We're still climbing, 1,000 feet.
I can see the house that you like.
Oh yeah?
Like the gray, greenish house.
Okay, so now we're gonna pull the power back a little bit. And we're gonna trim it.
Are you going any higher than this?
I'm gonna stay here because
Yeah,
we're not gonna go too far
that's
around. I'm not gonna go too far around the airport. Okay. So now you wanna try and make it right?
No.
Yeah, just go a little bit. I'm holding it here.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit. Slow to the right. Hang on.
Right? This way?
Yeah, go that way a little bit.
Like that?
Yeah. See how it's going? Hold it there.
Okay, I'm done. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, so we're gonna go straight for a little.
Scared me.
Why? Oh, you hit that little bump? Yeah, these little bumps are normal, okay?
Yeah.
Because it's hot, you know, it's
The traffic says 912.
Alright, so I'm gonna go around the airport, okay?
Okay.
You see the airport
Don't go
over there?
that low.
Huh?
Don't go that low. You're trying to scare me.
No, I'm not going low. Alright, I'm gonna go right.
After this, can we go again?
Yeah, we're gonna try to land now. And now, the way we land is we gotta make sure everything is perfect. Okay? And we'll go around and we'll make a landing on runway 10 again. Okay?
Okay.
So you like it so far?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. Alright, go ahead. I'm holding it here.
Okay, so what do I do? Left or right?
Make it right a little bit. A little bit. Right there. Hold it. See the ground? You don't want to go any farther than that.
I'm good.
You're always looking out the window for other planes. You look at the horizon, but you're a little bit too short. Okay? So what we're doing now is I'm going to go out and turn around and face the runway again so we can land, okay?
Okay.
Now, when we go landing, it's going to move a little bit, so don't freak out. If I don't see the landing's always got to be a little bit perfect. So if I see something wrong, I'll pull up again, I'll try it again, okay?
Okay, okay.
Now, it doesn't matter how many times we try.
It's not going to be perfect because the road isn't perfect.
The wind, you know, a little bit, but you'll see, it's not that.
What happens if there's no wind?
It's better. It's better. Homestead traffic, got a Piper Tomahawk about 2 miles south. Inbound, full stop. We're going to be joining downwind for 10 Homestead.
Then down again? When it goes up and then down again, that's where it kind of scares me.
Oh yeah? Do you feel a little... I don't feel that anymore, you know. I don't feel it anymore.
You don't feel it? Because this is my first time, so you feel it.
Right. But I don't feel it anymore. See how it's a little hazy. If you go higher, then you won't be able to see the ground.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go farther out a little bit and then turn around and
if you notice, like, it doesn't look like there's houses. It's just, like, green.
There is nothing down there. This is,
Down over there?
farms. Yeah.
If you fix this, my face would be, like, comical because I'm like, ooh, ah.
Okay, so I can see the runway from here.
Yeah, me too.
I'm going to line up with it, with 10.
Feels like we're on an invisible ground.
What's that?
It feels like we're on an invisible ground. The ground is going like, whoop, whoop, whoop.
Now always keep an eye for other planes, okay? Because there are other planes flying around. So we got to be careful, but the sky is big. We just got to be careful, that's all. Okay, so now we have a tailwind, so we're going faster. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to try to line up with the runway.
Homestead traffic says 152 on crosswind to runway 10.
Okay, there's a guy on crosswind. That means he took off and made a left. So I'm going to give him a little room so he can go first.
Okay. So it's going to go for a little longer.
Yeah. I'm going to actually go around and
yeah, around.
go back in from the other side.